What's the meaning of blurred? Blurred. Blurred.
Blurred. Blurred. The word blurred refers to something that is not clear or distinct, often due to a lack of focus or clarity. It can be used to describe a physical object or image that is difficult to see, such as a blurry photograph. It can also refer to a situation or concept that is unclear or vague, such as a blurry memory or a blurred line between right and wrong. The term can have negative connotations, suggesting a lack of precision or accuracy. It may also be used metaphorically to describe the mental state of confusion or disorder.